southern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles east of Greenville downtown, or near Reedville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Five Forks, Woodruff, Roebuck, Reedville, Moore, Cross State Park, Pauline, Cross Anchor, and Oree and Picola. The forecast. Northern Aiken, southeastern Saluda, and central Richland counties through 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was detecting strong outflow winds along a line extending from 9 miles west of Dreher Island State Park to Lake Carolina. Movement was southeast at 25 miles per hour. Boaters on Lake Murray should seek safe harbor. The following hazards are expected: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Irmo, Forest Acres, Batesburg, Leesville, Springdale, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Oak Grove, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Arcadia Lakes, Columbia International University, Harbison State Forest, Sesquicentennial State Park, and Lake Carolina. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 40 and 84. Interstate 26 between mile markers 96 and 117. Interstate 77 between mile marker 0 and 26. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The following County in southeastern South Carolina, Colleton County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 5:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pocatello, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Yamasee, Coosawhatchie, Gardens Corner, Sheldon, Early Branch, McPhersonville, and Pocatello. This warning includes I-95 in South Carolina between mile markers 26 and 50. Moving east at 10 miles per hour.